In this question, we're going to be using the completing the square method to basically rewrite this function into vertex form, and therefore it will be very easy to state the vertex of this function. So the method is to look at our b value, which is the coefficient in front of our x, which in this case is -2. What we do is we divide it by 2 and square it. So we need to think, what is -2 divided by 2 and then squared? Well, that would be -2 divided by 2 is -1. -1 squared is +1. What we do with that is that's the magic number that we're going to add and subtract, just like this. Now, why did we do that? Well, the reason is this can now be written as x minus 1 squared, or something squared, right? So x minus 1 squared. And that's essentially just factoring, right? We're working backwards from an example of difference of squares. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to combine this -1 minus 8 together to get -9. And just like that, we have completed the square and rewritten this function in vertex form. So that means our vertex has an x value of 1 and a y value of -9. And by the way, if you had time on a test like this with this sort of question, you should definitely check your answer with your graphing calculator. Just type that equation in, look for the vertex, and confirm that your answer is correct. All right, that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.